Wow, I look a mess. Hey Queens, it's me Amber and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a very requested video, and people request this of me all the time, but I've never done it because my room is always a mess. But I'm going to be doing a room tour for you guys today, and I don't even know when I last did one of these. I can't remember if I've done one since I got my room done, which was like years ago. Just because I was like, I don't know, I just never did one. But I organised some stuff last night and I kind of tidied my stuff up, so I thought I'd do this video for you guys today. So if you want to see that, then keep on watching. So I'm just going to start by doing an overview of everything. But yeah. Okay, so when you walk in, this is my door, and I just have this like little thing on it, and it just says Mallorca. From when I went to Spain in 2016, we just stuck it on here because it looked, I don't know, it just looks cute. So, oh my god, I just kicked my door. That's my door. We have my light switch. Oh my god, my floor's so creaky. And that is my little thing, but I don't really use this because obviously it's summer, so it stays light. Right, this bit. Oh, of course it wouldn't creak now. It's there. Okay. Then right here you have, this is like my little door stop thing. It's like a little plug, it's really cute. We have the bunk beds, which both of these are basically Leah's beds. This is like messy, like I'm literally exposing Leah. That is like so messy. She has a little thing. This should be in the bathroom, I don't know why it's there. And then if you come around here, this is what she's been sleeping on recently instead of up there, but she puts this down because I don't really know, she has like a little den. So that's this bed. She's got a little Build-A-Bear teddies, so that's cute. And then if we go down again, these are like school clothes and stuff, so we just gotta ignore that. But we have a ton of board games, and then like toys that are Leah's and some books. Moving across, this is like what you guys have seen before. This is my little mirror area. So right here we have this cute sign which my friend got me for one of my birthdays. It says I smile because I have no idea what's going on, which is literally me. Then I have these little lights at the other side, and I think they're working, yeah. And my auntie bought me these for either my birthday or Christmas one year. I have this mirror which is like super cute, and it's like stuck to the wall so we can't like take it off. And down here, this is like Leah's stuff, which is why it's a mess. But there's like nail polish, like the day, which it's not even Saturday, it's actually Sunday. Let's change this. Where's Sunday? Okay, this used to be mine, she drew on it, so I was like, okay, you can have it then. Then she just has these little drawers which are full of literally squishies, chargers. Then she has this little gymnastics mat thing, and it's like proper squishy, so she just keeps that there because there's nowhere else. And there's like a hairbrush and this colouring thing that she bought. I don't know what she's gonna do with it, but that's back there. Next up is my wardrobe. So up here there's like this like carry bag that I don't even know why it's up there. Then I have some school clothes, and that is some toys I think, or an empty box, I don't really know. I don't really go up there because why would I need to be up there? I don't know. There's also a TV. Like, I could use that, but there's nowhere to put it. This half is Leah's, and I'm not really gonna go in here, but I can't even open it. It just like slides across. Then she has all her clothes and dresses and jackets in here. Books down here and like pencil stuff, and then all of her shoes. And then down here, whoa, she like organised it, are all of her clothes, and these are her jeans. This half is mine, which I organised and I'm really happy about, so I'm just going to stand you guys here while I open it. Look at that. It doesn't even look that good, but like if you'd have seen it before, you'll understand. But we just have all of my clothes. I could do like a wardrobe thing one time and tell you where everything is from in my wardrobe, clothing wise, like not these. But then over here, like my dresses look really annoying because they come down longer. But my tripod normally sits, I say normally, I literally did this last night. I'm gonna put it here and it just like stands up. I have these little drawers, there are 4 of them. In the top one I have my brush cleaning things. This one is, what even is this? Oh, like school stuff, so I've got like post-it notes, a calculator, revision cards, and scissors. This one, I have random stuff in here. So I have this tube of Vaseline from when I did a DIY thing ages ago. I made my own lipstick. I've kept these boxes and I don't know why. It's like, oh my god, like yay, yes. This are some dice, because you never know when you need dice. This brush head, which is for my spinny brush. Another phone case, some tissues, and I have these stickers which just say my name on like in literally all the pages. Hold on, let me get a page up. So all the pages will just look like this and you'll just say Amber on, which is super cute, so I have them. And in the bottom drawer, purse and my bus card. Look at my picture. Ew. Yeah. I just took this body mist because it's like literally amazing. Body mist, I don't know, shimmering body mist. I have like this sand stuff which I stand my brushes in another pot, and I didn't know what to do with it because I didn't want to keep like the rest of it. So I just put it in this little glass container. I have the Sparkle 8, some tissues, and then back here I have an umbrella in this box, a bunch of like notebooks, a few books that I need to finish reading. I don't really read that much. Whiteboard and stuff like that. And right here next to that I have my Victoria's Secret bag because it doesn't fit anywhere else. I have this binder folder thing. This is my weekly planner. So that is what's in there. Then we go down and back here I have all my shoes, and again if I did like a what's in my wardrobe thing, I'd include the shoes as well because it's like in there. But I have this. I'm gonna use this in my videos for a start thing, but I don't know. Then I have this giant soap and body box which has loads of soap and body lotions and sprays in because, oh my god, I have nowhere else to keep them because I got so much for Christmas. This lovely little colourful pot of pens and pencils and felt tips. So that's cool. I have this little perfume which is nearly used but it's there for aesthetic. In here, I have a loofah thing. It's full of change which I should take to the bank or like a change thing to actually get put into money. And then I'd have money for London and stuff. I literally have so much. I have like tons of 20p's and 50p's in here. In here you can see I have these which are like magnets. Oh my god, they've got my earrings on. I have earrings in here as well, which are attached. This little bracelet from Arcadia, you didn't even see that, which is super cute. These which go on like a necklace, and you can like change the thing. I have a anklet, pop socket, and a lip balm. Bottom drawer, I have a few bracelets. I also have some bubbles in here, but the main thing are these 50p's because you know you get like the special ones. So I've got like a few of them. So yeah, and I have like a couple others. I also have some £2, but I don't know where they are. Oh my god, where are they? That's what's in there, but I'm just putting this away. So my £2 aren't in there, and they had like special designs on the back. They're not in there, which is the only place I've ever put them because it was like, that used to be up on here, but I moved it. They're not on there. Someone has taken them. I will get to the bottom of this. If it takes me like the rest of the day, I will find out who has taken my £2. I bet you it's Leah. I'm not happy. They were special ones. It kind of sounds stupid, but they were. And you can sell them for like so much more money than like £2. But swiftly moving on, I don't even really want to show you this because it's like literally gross. But Leah has like a ton of rubbish down here. After our wardrobes, right here are our drawers. So this is Leah's side. This is my side because obviously it's next to my bed, so it made sense. On here, I just keep this little box sign, and it lights up, but obviously it's the day, so it's not going to show up that good. And it says it's Amber's life, because you can like change the words. I have my number 7 brushes in here because I just love the teal colour. I have this Zoella diffuser, and it smells really good. I don't know what flavour it is. Flavour scent. It's not flavour, you can't eat it. I have this mirror box. I don't really want it to blind you guys, but in here I have a bunch of random stuff. So I have like mirrors, this thing for my braces, loads of baubles, lip balm, and earrings. I have tons of earrings in here, and my house keys. Just because it's like easy, because I know where everything is, because I keep moving stuff and then I forget. Then right here I have my number 7 mirror, a Victoria's Secret spray, which literally got the tiniest amount in. This candle, which is, oh my gosh, because it's summer I don't really want to light it, so it's here. It's going to be here till winter. I have my Zoella calendar thing and a bubblegum lip scrub from Lush. Right here I have my clothes, and this one is like my underwear and stuff. Then this one is, wow, yeah, I need to fold them. Shorts, and back there are like joggers. Then under here I have all my jeans. Yep, let's just do that. In the third one, I did this yesterday. So this is all like my skincare, soap, bath, hair stuff. So in this one I have all my skincare things. And this like a little face thing, mask, nose strip. I have some face masks down here, my toothy tabs, face wash, my spinny brush, more face things, and then some headbands. Then in here I just have like stuff for the bath and hairbrushes, sprays, and just stuff that I can just like easily grab out. This is like smells so good. I literally love this shower scrub. Okay, then in the back one, these are mainly stuff that I'm taking to London. So I have a mini toothpaste, hand sanitizers, mini body washes, mini sprays. These are so cute. These bars of soap, a bath bomb, and a mini like what's this called? The Righteous Boy. I literally love this one. Then this is like the body lotion that I'm currently using, so I just shove it in there. Then in the middle I have nail varnish. So I don't really paint my nails often, but I needed a place. And then in the bottom one I've got jumpers, and this is like a thing to go over your bikini, but I don't need it because I'm not like going on a hot holiday where we need that. Across we have this little walkway space. I don't really know, like you can hardly fit in here, but behind there I have like a hairdressing head doll to like practice hair on, because I kind of was obsessed with that for a bit like earlier in the year. I have my school bag with some other bags in, and then my bin. Then I have this other like handbag and some folders. We have my window, my curtains, love grey. If you can't tell, the theme of our room was meant to be like pastel, because I love pastel and greys and stuff, and I liked these because these are pastel. They're all like pastel colours. In this top one, it's like so cool. It's like a secret thing, but I just have my iPad, this little, it's like a keyboard for your iPad. Oh my gosh, you can't even see it. It's super cool. I found the charger, well my mum did, yesterday, so I can use that again. Then I have some earplugs and my laptop up there. In this first drawer we just have loads of sunglasses, all of my pairs, and then all these these aren't lipsticks, these are like sprays which are empty, but I will like the bottle, so I'm keeping them for the minute. All these lipsticks, lip glosses, some random stuff, mints, and then a light for my phone. Then I have some jewellery in here, some earrings, and these are like for nails. So these, I don't know where else to put them, but these are like nail file, nail scissors, these for like cuticles or something, and then like separators. What jewellery is even in here? Let's have a look. Oh, I've got this super cute necklace, and this is the one that you changed the thing on from earlier, but currently I have this one on, and then my Pandora bracelet. I also have a bag of sweets, which I've got like 2 left. This next one, not much exciting. I just have some bags and then some hair stuff. So I have my straighteners, my hairdryer, curler, straighteners, a bunch of chargers. So I have like my toothbrush charger, laptop, and other stuff. I have this mini MP3 player which has got cool music on because it's like from like, I even know, like 2014 or 2012, and it's like the best music. More hair bubbles, my portable charger, because we all need one of them, especially if you're traveling, and my little speaker. The next one down has got bags in, which it's really hard to open because I've got so many in here. Then in the last one is a bunch of random stuff again. We have like pencil cases. This has got some bath bombs in from Lush and Bubble Bars, which had nowhere else to go. Got a hot water bottle, candle holders. There's a few books back here. Pointless blog one. And this is like by this writer, and he came into our school and he like signed our books. So that was fun. So I just keep this because, like, you know, memories. And then I have, this is from when we went to Arcadia, and it's just like a little memory box because it was like my first holiday on a plane, not abroad because I've been to France once, but we went on the Eurostar. And this has like a ton of little things in. Moving across from this area is my bed, which is the last thing I'm showing you. So I have this like headboard, and it's black and it's got like these diamondy things in. Right now I just have a cream white bedding on, so it's plain. And then I have my 3 pillows, my big like fluffy one, and this little grey square, and this pink love heart. So they like match, you guys see? Then behind here I just have like a bunch of blankets, which I don't know if you can see, and there's like a neck pillow, but I just keep them behind there because there's nowhere else to put them, and it just makes my room look neater and you would never know. And then right here I have this other blanket. You can tell I love blankets. On here I just have these mini like to some things. I have this many because Leah had these two, but then she didn't like want them, so I took them. So we have Sven, Lady from Lady and the Tramp. Oh, what's her name? Oh my god, what is her? Oh, I forgot her name.
Oz, my succulent little garden snail, and who would we be scaring today?
Wazowski, you didn't file your paperwork last night.
But she's the one out of Monsters Inc. Then we have Sully from Monsters Inc. and Eeyore. And then I have this purple bunny rabbit, which I've always had since I was like a little. And then this, which says Amber on, and I've had him since I was literally a baby since I was born. So I just keep them. And they match my room as well, like pastel. Right at the end of my bed, we have my charger. I have my makeup case down here, and also my sliders in case I need to quickly go outside or something. I can just run out. So yeah, that's my room. What, does this look cool? Or does this look cool if my phone was straightened a bit? It's kind of on an angle. But yeah, this is my room. I don't know if you guys can be able to hear me from up there, so I'm going to talk a bit louder. It's on top of my wardrobe. Okay, I'm going to try to get you down. Okay, let's do this outro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I get like so many requests all the time to do a room tour or like what's in my drawers, because I don't know, people just want to see that. But I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below if you're not already. And also follow me on all my social medias. They are linked in the description box. And I will see you all soon. Bye!